How to pin Instagram posts on your feed. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to pin Instagram posts on your feed. So what you guys need to do is simply get started and follow the simple steps. First of all, get onto your Play Store and make sure that you have updated your Instagram application. And once you have done that, just get onto your Instagram app right away. Once the app has opened up, all you need to do is simply get onto your profile by tapping at the profile that is at the top right corner or the bottom corner where your profile picture is being shown. And once you are there, what you need to do is simply select any of the posts that you want. For example, this is my post that I want to pin. I would simply get onto that three dotted bar option and tap on it. Once I am on it, now I would have this dialog box suggesting me numerous options, out of which I would select that pin to your profile. And once I've selected that, now I would just refresh the page and you see that that pin icon is being appearing above, and it would always appear of because it is a pinned post. So this is how you basically do it. This is how you basically pin a post on Instagram on your feed. If you guys still want to know more about it or have any question or query, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Furthermore, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel of How to Digital. And don't forget to click that bell icon to receive notifications about further awesome videos like this. So till next time, take care, peace, till then.